Alright guys, so for Wolfram Lamb it's a little bit more complicated, but it's not that difficult. So once you log in into the back panel of Wolfram Lamb, there is only two new sections that you need to know. Again, you will land into the dashboard. You know how to handle pages, so if you want to change the text of any page or add images, click on pages, find your page, edit the page, and then for instance that would be contact us or customer service, because blog is a part of the post. So click on customer service. If you want to change the text right here, all you do is pretty much click here, type, copy and paste from another word editor, and when you're done, make sure that you click update. But that's easy. So for your products, you need to create first the categories. So to do so, you have to go down into the WooCommerce. There's two sections, WooCommerce and products. WooCommerce, this is later on you're gonna decide, once we are ready to launch, how we're gonna do the shipping, the payments, the taxes, stuff like that. I'll tell you how about it right now. Doesn't matter right now. What we care is about the products and the categories. So if Wolfram Lamb will have a categories, more than one or two, first create the categories. So click on categories. Right now we have placeholder categories. I created a candle category. Well, all this is just placeholder text. If you don't need it, just click here and delete it. It's not a problem. So let's say I want to create a category. It's called I don't know, test, G-test. That's my category, right? So once I name my category, click add new category. That category will appear right here on my list. So that's my new category. So all I need to do right now, as you can see here in candles, we have one product. And then on music, because it's the test category, we got 8 products. Albums, we got 4 products. So all I need to do right now is create the products. To create the products, I'm gonna go into, you can click on all products or simply just click on add new. I'm gonna call this product the G-test 777. So that is the new product. I'm adding a new product right now. I'm gonna create my description. This product is fantastic, blah 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 blah. You're gonna price this product. Regular price is gonna be $11.99, and then once I select the price, you're gonna say, okay, this product is going to be part of my category. Which category I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use the G-test category, but also this product belongs also to the candle category. So once I'm done, all I need to do is create the image. So select my product image. I'm going to go for my library, but you can drag and drop from your computer. I'm gonna use this mini. So check this out. Every time you click on the images, you have the file size and the actual dimensions. You need to have the file size should be under 900 kilobytes. The dimensions under 1800 pixels wide. So this is my product. I'm gonna select my product. Done deal. So now I have a new product. It's called the G-test 777. I'm gonna publish it, and I'm done. So now the next step is, like, let's say that you wanna add this product into your slider, right? So to do that, and then you have the micro activations right here on the home page. To do that, you have to come here and then go into home page slider. I suggest you to examine the other ones that we already created for you. Slider 1, 2, 3. I did that video previously with no audio, so that's why I created these two tests. But I'm gonna create another slider. Actually, I'm just gonna delete that one because I don't like it. I'm gonna create another one. I'm gonna add a new slider, and this slider is gonna call the 7777 test. So I don't have to put a description right here. All I need to do right now is make sure that I have my image. When I select my image, the image needs to be the right dimension. I uploaded this image just for you. You know, this image is 3,862 pixels wide, which is huge, but it's 6 megabytes. This image is huge. With the size of this image, you can have a video. So that's not okay image. So all you have to do is select an image, right? So once you select the image, I'm gonna select this one with the one with the towels. That's gonna be my gallery, right? That's gonna be the main gallery. Now you're gonna have the macro activations. To add the macro activations, all you have to do is click on the hotspot, add a new row. That is it. It's gonna ask you, is this a WooCommerce product? You're gonna say yes, this is a WooCommerce product. Then here you can find from the ID from your product, so you can just click here, and eventually it's gonna show you all the tests, right? This is the test 777 this product that I just created, and then I'm gonna add that product, right? So here I have two micro activations point. I'm sorry, by mistake, and I'm gonna delete one. So I have only one. It's called the product GTest777. So now I need to put the location. The location is just the vertical and the horizontal. That's it. We need to give 30% from left and 30% from right, 30% from top and 30% from the bottom. Otherwise, we're gonna miss the hotspot. So I'm just gonna put it in 30 and 30. So that macro activation is gonna activate the product that is called the GTest. So now that I'm done, I don't have to create another hotspot because you're gonna have multiple. So all I have to do right now is publish this. Once I do that, once it rises into the server, now I'm actually going to look for that slider. I'm gonna click here, refresh. Then I'm gonna look for that slider, which it was, remember, it was the towels. One example is if your image is too small, it's gonna look all pixelated like this one. So I'm looking for the towels. Where are the towels? These are the towels. No. Alright, so now I'm looking for the towel, right? So just, I forgot, this image is cropped because my laptop is too small, so we're looking for those little flowers, and those little flowers are right here. And again, remember, it's like 30%, 30%. When I click on my macro activation, boom, there it is. So all I need to do is select the product. This is the product. What product is this? 1 second. Here it is. Alright, so now what happens is like I need to find my product, which is, my product will be the test Gerardo. So I save it. Once I save it, it writes into the server. Now I'm gonna come here and hit refresh again, hard refresh, because sometimes it stays in the memory. And now I'm gonna look for that. See, this one has 2 macro activations, so this is not the one I did. So I'm gonna just look for my slider, which is this one, 30%, 30%, and that is my product. So all you have to do is select the product and you're there. So I hope this is pretty helpful. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer soon.